Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno4 Z to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and type Send Anywhere in the search bar. Now you need to download this app from this developer and open it. After that, click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to choose Receive on an Android and Send on OPPO. After that, click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only select one file, for example this photo, click, and choose Send. Then click Got it, and from here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive, or you can scan QR code. If you want to scan this code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into some kind of files app, like File Manager in this case, and clicking on, in my case, Images. As you can see, my photo is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!